addiction is something for me. I'm looking for something. I'm looking for God. I'm seeking always God, and I seek God in drugs, in alcohol, in cigarettes, in money. All I could be addicted to. Maybe so. When I'm addicted to alcohol, for example, I drink because when I'm drinking or when I'm drunk, I feel myself closer to God, because I'm out of the reality, the illusion. I'm out of maybe something I can't bear, and I'm drinking. And what I'm looking for is healing, and is God. I'm always looking for God. So in the moment that I'm drunk or I'm with drugs, I have a sensation, I have another feeling, and I'm addicted to this feeling. I'm not addicted to alcohol or to drug. I'm addicted to that feeling that gives me, that brings me a little bit closer to God. And then when I wake up, or in the next morning, or the drug doesn't work anymore, then I'm back again in my false reality, in my illusion, and I need to drink again, or I need to take another drug again. So the first thing is that I recognize that I'm not addicted to alcohol or to drug. I'm addicted to the sensation or the feeling, staying with the energy of God. When I recognize this is very important. I can work with myself. I can use tools. I know what the problem is. The problem is not the alcohol or the drug. The problem is that I'm seeking God, and I have to look inside of me. And with the tools and with the Ho'oponopono process and with all Ho'oponopono offers, I can get to the point where I don't need alcohol or drug in order to be with God. Thank you. Okay, so when I'm thinking about a person that left me, or a relationship broke, maybe I didn't love that person in the first place that much, because I can let go of everybody, because I love everybody that much that I can let him go or let her go. And it is all in me. It is there. When I'm hurt because my boyfriend left me, this is myself that is hurt. And so I need to work on myself, because the boyfriend or the girlfriend or the husband or whatever is giving me a chance to look at it. Because really, when I love everyone, I can't be hurt, because love is when I can let go everyone to find their own path, to find their own path to love, such as I have to find my way to love myself. So I think it is a lack of love.